What up, YouTube fam? On 696, got skirting around Detroit, leaving, heading to Boonville, Indiana. Going through the other big D. Got to get home and go see my baby Holly that's in the hospital with her cancer chemo treatments. We got to keep her GoFundMe going, guys. Please, please. I'll put the GoFundMe link in the description of this video. Please, if you can only donate $1, every dollar helps. Lathrop Village, exit 12. Southfield Road and 11 Mile. Think we'll run into Slim Shady out here anywhere on 8 Mile? Will the real Slim Shady please stay the hell out of Detroit? Kid Rock will kick your ass. I wonder where Kid Rock lives at around here. I know he lives in Detroit. Lawrence Tech University, Southfield Pavilion. Bring her on around, big boy. The Sultan of Slang. Shit. You got construction. That's about all the road work they do. Is they drive around and put up signs and cones. Never seen them do any fucking work. Right lane closed after Orchard Lake. Goddamn, I forgot to jiggle that fucking cable. My damn ABS lights on. Snowstorm hits. We're supposed to get 5 inches of snow and 1/10 of an inch of ice. Hoping I can just miss this shit. Of course, I take the long way around, 696. I could have shot straight down 75, but I don't want to hit them southbound scales. I ain't been that way in 5 years. I don't even know if there's any scales there anymore. I ain't going to take the chance to find out. I used to live up here in Detroit. I used to live in River Rouge. Rouge River. What's odds of that?
The speed limit is 65 miles per hour. Slow down.
Yeah, maybe I better back off a little bit. No speeding ticket. Hopefully this video shows some of the people that used to live in Detroit, some of the places they used to be or they've seen. Reminds you of home. Some of the people that don't guys hear about that Josh Shapiro behind the Trump assassination attempt with that Crooks kid covering it up? Him and Joe Biden supposedly had it done. Ain't that some shit? Alright, I'm gonna upload this video. Like, share, subscribe. I appreciate all my new subscribers. Love y'all. But we got to keep it going, and don't forget that GoFundMe. Peace. Love y'all.